Effective communication is crucial for career growth. It can positively impact various aspects of your professional life. Conflict management is a key concept in effective communication. Let's see how it can be achieved. Connecting with others is essential for career growth. Learn how effective communication helps in building relationships. Effective communication leads to increased productivity. Let's explore how it can help you achieve your goals. Client satisfaction is crucial for success. Discover how effective communication contributes to it. A healthy workplace culture is fostered by effective communication. Let's see how it benefits both employees and the organization. Employee satisfaction and motivation are closely tied to effective communication. Discover how it can enhance your work experience. To recap, effective communication is crucial for career growth. Prioritize it to unlock your full potential.